Iris brings a very nurturing approach to the school. She's very kind. At the heart of everything she does, she puts the children.
Miss Jones has been such a positive influence on my son. She's always been there and she's always kind of understood and always adapted things to suit his needs, and it's never been too much for her to do something like that.
She listens to the children and the children feel heard when they're with her.
She's very nice, respectful, understanding, a listening teacher.
She is really happy all the time and she makes us feel happy as well.
Jo brings so much care and compassion and kindness to the school. She truly does care about every single child and family, and it's her mission to make their lives better in any way she possibly can.
Having Mrs. Wyatt as a teacher in Ruben's life, it's made Ruben so happy. He loves her, he adores her. With the help of Mrs. Wyatt, it's changed his life.
Jo's fun. She's a fantastic teacher. She brings lots of joy to all the children and the parents and the staff as well. She's just amazing.
The kindest, best teacher ever.
Mae cyfraniad Katie i'r dosbarth ac i'r ysgol yn gyffredinol yn amhrisiadwy.
She goes the extra mile, she's always there with a smile on her face, she always gets engaged in the silliness that they do, you know, with comic relief and crazy hair days.
Wrth i chi ddefnyddio hiwmor, mae'r plant yn dweud, maen nhw'n cofio eu gwaith, maen nhw'n teimlo'n rhan o deulu ein ysgol.
Pob dydd mae hi'n hapus a dwi'n hoffi bod yn y dosbarth gyda hi.
Mae gan Katie yr angerdd wirioneddol i godi safonau, i helpu plant, a mae'n bleser ei chael hi yn Ysgol Panteg.